Hello, welcome to DeweyFinn21's part 4 of The Lost Bet. Look at the title, at least of the first one. I'm not sure whether I'll put it on all the others. Although I probably will, because it'll have to have part 1 of 535, yeah. Oh well, here's the fourth song, which may not be as embarrassing as the last one, but then again, I'm a guy singing a song by a girl. That might be extra embarrassing. Although it's not. At least he didn't choose the worst song by this artist for me to sing. But anyway. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screen, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Let them go, oh, oh, oh. And then I'll leave them all in awe, oh, oh. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow, maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect zone. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow, and when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. Because you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe, oh, oh. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. Now it's time to let it through. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in awe, oh, oh. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Yeah, one more. And yeah, the funny thing is, the most embarrassing might be the 2 that are sung by the guys, even though I'm a guy. Yeah, part 5, yay, next. And then I'll be done with this thing. I hope. Let me check. Make sure I haven't got any other text messages. Okay, I'm good so far. Okay.